We're at the Jackson ramp.
Jackson ramp, skyway. This is a parking garage elevator, right?
Yeah.
And there's the camera over there. Security cameras. This is an old Otis. Oh, I was right, see?
Fan, let's see.
V1. Try 1A.
Oops. Okay.
Here we go. Whoa, that was weird. All right, let's go to 5A.
There we go.
There's security over there. All right, there's security and there's Jason. What floor do we get on, 2A?
Yeah, probably.
3A.
I wonder if there's another elevator because it's A levels.
I don't really care about snooping through this place.
Mm-mm.
This is weird.
3A is
It's leveling. Look,
skyway.
it's leveling. This is a weird running elevator and a brick wall. Go down to 3A.
This is kind of a crummy mod.
Yeah, it
A little
is.
bit.
It's smooth though. Look, see, it's moving. 4, 3. Now it's slowing down. You can barely feel it slowing down. It's smooth.
I don't even feel it now, and it's leveling now.
I'll have to say this is a very smooth elevator.
Smooth mod. Not a fan of the buttons though.
Yeah, I don't really care for the buttons. It's a smooth elevator.
Yep.
There it goes, and that'll be it.
That's it.